Tonight we're going to be making a Mahi Cayenne Cranberry Moroccan-inspired chickpea curry. It's a really cheap dinner dish to make, full of flavour, and it's naturally low-fat and vegan as well. This simple dish is really all about the flavour, so it doesn't have too many ingredients. It's more about the seasoning. You need a diced up onion, a tin of chickpeas, 100 grams of sweet corn, a generous handful of spinach, a tin of chunky chopped tomatoes, some passata, of course our Mahi Cayenne Cranberry sauce to give it that extra punch of spice, and then to give it the Moroccan flavours and make it a curry, we need some medium curry powder and a dash of cinnamon as well.
To start, use a spritz of oil spray.
And over a medium heat, first goes in our onions and our chickpeas. When you're frying your chickpeas and onions off, you want to add a really generous helping of the curry powder and a dash of cinnamon. When the flavours are released from all those spices, it's time to add in a tin of chopped tomatoes and then add in your Mahi Cayenne Cranberry sauce, a little dash of passata, 100 grams of sweet corn, pop in your spinach, and the heat will naturally wilt that into our curry.
Once your spinach is wilted down, it will look just like this, and then you want to get ready to serve. I like to pair this with some wholegrain rice, Greek yogurt to take down the heat, and coriander.
From start to finish, under half an hour, super easy peasy veggie curry, and there's enough left over for lunch as well.